Okay, 5 minutes of lapping. 5 minutes of lapping. Alright. Now we have a nice good pattern here. There is only one low spot at this point here. I'm gonna explain why I haven't finished this one. I can continue if I want, but I don't want more. For now it's fine. Alright. I don't know if you can see how it looks like. It looks beautiful. Now this one, as you see that I haven't removed, how much? Not even 1,000 millimeter probably. Okay. Now this one, it's married to this because I lap this with this. Now I have to make it again with the actual ring from the external, and by doing this I'm gonna disappear also the last one, the last small thing that has here. That's why I leave that one here to have it as a guide, as a reference. Plus at the end I'm gonna put some marker, some permanent marker, and lapping it to see if it's gonna stay at all. Well, you're gonna see later on. Let's continue lapping for another 5 minutes. That's it. Finish with the external. End of story. Now this one that's a little bit shiny back over there, with this one, that means this is supposed to be before like that, pointing from this side. If I remember right, here is supposed to be the clamp, supposed to be the gap of the clamp at this point. And the combination pressures and temperatures, they make this one on the flange. Not that much, obviously, little bit to compromise it. It looks beautiful, it looks much better than before. Let's also make this one at the same time and then clean the exhaust manifold and start putting it. No, I cannot put together. I have to put the EGT first to see the length, to mark it. Yeah, right, 1 to 5. Yeah, okay. Let's continue now with this, with the hot side of the turbo.
Next 5 minutes.
Yeah, another 5 minutes. Almost finished the day, and I'm here lapping. See, you know what's the thing? I can easily, don't do none of this, just put it all together close. Nobody can say to me anything, you know? But like this, for me at least, it's the right, you know? I was doing that even before. It's not the first time I'm doing it. Just for this gentleman, for my friend, that he has the engine, I'm saying screw it, put it on the video. Usually, like I told you, for the externals, for the turbos, upgrade things, I'm not posting none of this. Let's continue. Enough talking. One cigarette, and at the same time, now with the cigarette, how we're gonna lap it, we're gonna see. I'm gonna lap it sideways. Small break, small break. I'm close. Like I said, turbine housing, it's much better, the hot side, than the flange here. Yeah, classic. But I'm close to finish it. Need this, this, and this. One thing that I forget to mention, I don't know which machine shop he resurfaced the headers. He did an amazing job. Whoops. Alright, I keep it. He did an amazing job, and I don't remember if I mentioned, they close again this opening here, and they did again amazing job. I forget that to mention earlier. Let's put on the video. This is my excuse to have a break, to relax a bit the hands, then to continue. Moving on. And that's it for the lapping. We have a low spot here, here, and here. It's a little bit, it's not something crazy. Much better than before. One dent here, one hit. And then from the hot side, here, all the rest looks excellent. Yeah, you don't see nothing there. Alright. Now, the machine shop who machine the flange here, they already wash, they already clean the exhaust manifold. This is how it looks like. I didn't find anything inside. I'm going to clean it again. I was already wiping out the lap compound to don't feel anything inside. Amazing job. I think I mentioned this earlier. Okay. Make sure that it does have anything inside. I'm gonna use also the light, a little bit with air, a little bit with the brush, a little bit brake cleaner here and there, and then start installing it. I want to see also what need exactly to reach on the bolts and torque it down properly. And no, before of this, dang it, all the time I'm forgetting the AGT sensors to see how much I'm gonna come inside. I'm so smart. It touched nowadays on that. Okay, I didn't scratch it. DAZA, you stupid. No worries. I move it like this. There is no problem there. It's outside. Okay, give me a break. But the surface, I do care about the surface. Alright. Let's bring the AGT and see how much inside. Don't be too much inside, don't be outside. Alright, fortunately, I was hoping to be like that, okay? So, you have the AGT sensor there, to don't be more in, no need, only this sensor you need inside. I torque it down, and fortunately, when you're torquing it down, it's crimping it, that one, so it doesn't move anymore. That's what exactly I want to see. That means now it's not playing, so that's why I put a tag. I put number 1 to come here, number 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in place exactly where it's supposed to be, how deep it's supposed to be actually, alright? To don't disturb the flow, alright? I'm gonna do that for all of them. I'm gonna crush it, not fully crushed, just enough to stay together, to don't start going up and down the sleeve that has there. If I get the number 1, number 2, I believe, also number 2 is the same. Did I arrange to be all the same length? How lucky I am. Is that the case? This is gonna be nice. No, this goes more inside. You see, this is entering more inside. This is supposed to be a little bit more out. It's supposed to be, shit, there. That's the ideal. Okay, so nope. 1 and 2, it's okay. It's on the same height. 4, 1 second. Let me see. 4, it's on the correct height. So F up will be the number 3. Eh? Okay, and the 5th. And the 5th, it's nice. Beautiful. Okay, no worries. So that's what I'm gonna do to be all of them on the correct height. I'm writing now number 1 to know where to install each of the AGT sensors. Then when I finish with that, like I said, I have to go to blow it to finalize it, then take the engine out, and then at the end, finally, when I'm gonna pass the wiring from where I'm gonna pass it, I'm gonna write that this is for the number 1 cylinder, number 2, number 3, to know from which cylinder, each channel to which cylinder it belongs. Don't have any headache. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna show you later on when I'm gonna install the headers, when I'm gonna put the headers on the engine and how it's gonna look like. Alright, some great news. I was expecting to be a headache to torque down the nuts. It's not. It's not. It's beautiful. You just need 2 different 11 millimeters and you're in business. Excellent. I was afraid about that. I start from the middle, graduate, going outside, normal, slowly. Before, if you try to do that, there was a big gap here. And you have to tighten it too much to be able to squeeze it in. Not now, not in this case. In this case, it went excellent. Graduate, bolting it down, beautiful. There is no gap whatsoever, it's excellent. Same thing also from this side, it looks beautiful. It looks amazing. Now, the AGT sensors, it's not been bolted down. It's with a mark, with a tag that I put 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay, in a row. What I'm planning to do is to put the turbo to see where's the best, where's the ideal for the AGT to pass, to don't touch on the turbocharger, to don't bother the oil feed, the coolant feed or the oil return. I have to check all this. The oil return is down, I don't think it's gonna bother, but I'm just saying. I'm gonna clock also the turbo to be okay, to be exact vertical, the oil return. We are looking good. I'm happy. I'm happy, especially for the exhaust, that it didn't give me a trouble. Don't forget Tassos to tight the brackets. I'll leave it open. This, yeah, this I'm gonna torque it down, then I have to open it again to put the actuator, because I remove the actuator. Nice, beautiful, excellent. One coil is supposed to be in the car, or it's supposed to be in the boxes outside. I remember something we did on the coil. We removed one coil at a time and they keep it outside. Don't ask me why. We can find it. No worries about that. So, yeah. Now, tomorrow, but not today. What I'm planning to do? I was thinking, first of all, this EGT sensor, I'm gonna leave it to torque it down at the end. Why I want to torque this down at the end? Because I don't know if it's bothering, or if it's better to be to pointing down, or if it's better, let us say, to pointing up, to come here and hide it, let us say, the cable, and route it this side and bring it with the rest. I'm gonna see about the number one. We're gonna see about that. Now for the rest, I was thinking to make one small hole on the cover. Let us say one small hole here. There is, no, there is a space down. Yeah, but again, I don't want to make it like this and then, you know what I mean? I don't want to make a U, the cable. It's not gonna have any problem, probably. We're gonna see about that. We're gonna see about that. This, I can make it direct. No, not like that, it's too much stress. It has too much stress. Maybe I'm gonna make it up like this one. It should be fine. It should be fine. There, yes, where I'm pointing. I have to watch through the mobile to see what I'm saying. This can stay like that. This I wanna see later on how I'm gonna rotate. Why don't rotate from out to finish the story? Yeah, and then this one, 1, 2, 3, it's gonna be routed behind. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be fine. Why not? Right? Just opening the 30 torques, then bring it from here, then insulate it. Or maybe I'm gonna pass it from the existing. Maybe I'm gonna pass it from the existing because it's only 3 sensors from this side. This is gonna be, it's far away. Yeah, obviously. Nice, we are looking good. We are looking good. One headache less. You see, one day, just lap the exhaust, the exhaust. Yeah, the exhaust manifold. The wastegate, the ring for the wastegate, for the turbo, and mounting the exhaust manifold. How lovely. Yeah, okay, I close also this intake manifold. Yeah, it doesn't take so much time. It's a brand new. In any case, tomorrow the rest. Tomorrow the rest. That's it for now. I need to, this I didn't clean it. The hot side of the turbo I didn't clean it yet. I haven't washed it yet. The external, it's already clean. I was careful with the external. It didn't want so much attention. But I don't remember if I mentioned, like I said, from here it comes a boost. Here that's open. I want to see if there is a fitting. Like I said, I have also another one fitting. This one, if they connect the solenoid, the boost solenoid, in a row with a boost here, they're not using this. I'm just saying. This one, you have to put a pipe and it has to breathe through the filter to don't end up inside dust, garbage or whatever. So once again, I want to see if there is a fitting on the car, and if there is no, I'm gonna use this fitting, or I'm gonna find the one a little bit bigger because this, I say this a little bit smaller. I'm gonna put on a fitting here, and then we're gonna make one pipe, one pipe to the inlet, to this aluminum pipe, to weld one aluminum fitting, so to breathe the external through the filter. If there is no, I'm just saying. I'm gonna see that later. We are looking good, happy. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Today, what day is today? Tuesday, right? Yeah, Tuesday. Still Tuesday. Yay. Thank you.